Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to analyze if we can scale based on Meta's suggestions. I was actually watching one of Meta's suggestions about scaling, and I was actually amazed by how openly they tell you that you're going to fail and that you're going to have worse results.
Nice job, team.
And I don't know if a lot of people are analyzing it or if we have reached the point that nobody understands, and they're just not telling them that, what you're proposing here is completely wrong.
What the were you thinking?
So let's go into my PC, let me show you what I'm talking about, and you can take your own decisions. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more, so I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. So we have this, we have done another video analyzing this, but today I said, okay, let's click this one just to see. And I want to do the calculation with you because everything looks perfect over here, right? It says you're going to get 1% more results. You have this graphic over here which is looking like you're going to make more money. But if you analyze behind it, you're going to see, let's say for the sake of the conversation, that this one is an ad account which is having an average order value of $100. So over here, when we're having a cost per result, and the first alarming thing that you see is that if you go to 400, which is 4 times your budget, your cost per result is going to double. You can understand that most likely you're not going to be profitable. They're telling you that this ad is available for scaling, but they tell you the truth that is going to suck so that you're not going to tell them, why did you told me to scale, So let's do the numbers over here. Let's say that we need 2 ROAS over here, and we have a $100 cost AOV. So if we do 100 multiplied by 2, that means that we're getting $200 from this case over here. If we divide with 100, we have 2 ROAS. Okay, let's go, for example, in that case though, that let's go to the recommended even, okay? Let's say that we have 4 sales. So if we do 4 multiplied by 100, by 100, that means that we're getting $400. So if we then divide 400 to the 308, that means that we got 1.29 ROAS out of 2 ROAS that we were getting here. Most companies with these numbers, they would be unprofitable for sure. And just for the sake of the conversation, let's do the last one, which we're getting 5 sales. So 5 multiplied with 100, you're getting 500, and then you divide with this with 412. And you're getting 1.21. It's needless to say that they're not mentioning ROAS, they're not mentioning they're just mentioning the cost per result over here. They're saying that the cost per result is going to be double, but is going to get doubled, but you should be happy on top of that, because basically what is going to happen is that you're going to get, instead of 2 sales, you're going to get 5 sales. Well, let me tell you the bad news. It's going to be unprofitable. So the problem is not that they're not telling you the truth. The problem is that you have to analyze what they're telling you and if this is or not. Of course, this is a hypothetical scenario, as they say, most likely they say. How it's calculated. Estimated results are based on a machine learning model of performance data from across the delivery system. The model considers performance over 28 days. Estimated cost per result is calculated as the estimated spend divided by the estimated results forecast using a machine learning model based on past performance data. So basically, we're because most of the people that they have done that, they have had this kind of results, which is really bad. Actual performance depends on many factors, including market dynamics. Your actual performance may be higher or even lower, and it's not guaranteed. The metric is estimated and in development, which means that, guys, if the estimation of something that tries to be super, optimistic in order to convince you to scale more, it's like this, then it means that vertical scaling is something that you should avoid, and you should work more with multiple campaigns and different angles, not trying to scale something like this because you're going to have higher cost per result. Go watch also my videos about the daily loop theory to have more clarity of how Meta is distributing the sales when you're trying to spend more money.
Meanwhile,
anyway, I found it funny. I thought that I would like to make a video explaining why this is completely bad and why they shouldn't be openly admitting that if you do that, this is going to happen, because it's not a good thing. It's like, if you analyze the numbers, you shouldn't do it. Don't forget, guys, that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check my course. Inside there, we're having much more advanced things that are actually working and not like the thing that I showed you, and you are able to scale advanced methods, new pixel methods. We have also Loom videos of optimization. We have also inside chosen 5 sessions from people that are inside my mentorship programs and how I help them in their own ad accounts. And you can see below all the reviews on the Trustpilot from the people that they complete the course and how much they loved it. So you can check the link below and you can go and you can check the free part, and then you can decide if you wanna buy the course. Also, I'm having my mentorship programs where you can come and work with me. I don't know if I have spots right now because it's Q4 and everybody wants help, but send me a message and maybe we're going to find a solution. Who knows? Below you can see all the people that they have completed the programs and how much they have been benefited from them. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.